Hi everyone. Today we present you with our weekly insight on transforming facade development using Mullayan profiles for the 3D excellence. Capricorn Technologies Private Limited is now a part of Arkans Group, serving widely in adoption of computer-aided design solutions and its integrated workflow. We are the largest provider of Autodesk softwares and professional services, followed by 50 branches around world with more than 1,300 solution professionals for the services. In this insight, we will be covering first how to use the desired 2D curtain wall family for the replacement of integrated sectional details. Second, how to customize 2D Mullayan profile to suit the unique requirements of varying facade, followed by 3D detailing for the project development. Third, how can we effectively load the profiles into the project? And fourth would be the choosing categorized loaded profile detail to see the enhancements. Let us just move on to the live demo now. Here I am onto my user interface screen, and as you can see, what we are going to discuss in today's insight is the new upgradation that has came on to Revit 2025 with respect to the Mullayans upgradations, where we can detail out our Mullayans, which will be in a form of 2D profiles, but it will be visible to us on a project in a 3D profile of us with detailings. Right, so I would just be making an wall, which will be an storefront wall. And as you can see, I have just modified this. And over here now you can see all these are like the rectangular sections without any detailings to it, right? If I just move on to my 3D part of it, we can see these are like rectangular parts of an Mullans. So now we are going to detail it out. So the very first thing I would be doing is I would be going on to my new family and I will open an family, I would say. So over here, moving on to because I don't have it on 2025 families, so I would be going on to 2024 folder of it. And I would be having these families under the English section. I would be having this profiles. Under the profiles, I have this curtain wall panel. So you have the central part of it, right? Now I will just open it. Now you can see this is how the detail item needs to be looked onto the part of Revit project as well, which was not visible into our project. So how we can work upon this is we just need to delete it and we will get a basic profile of it. Now, if I need a box section, suppose I would just start offsetting it. The range is 5. Let me make it 3. So I will be creating a box section. So this is the detailing that I need to project it onto my project, right? Which is a box section details. So this is a 2D profile itself, but as soon as we load it onto our project, it becomes a 3D part of it. I will just load it onto my project. The project is being loaded. Now I will select down this entire profile versions of it. So let's do this as yeah. So whenever you will select this profile, now the edit type comes where we have to upload that particular profile onto our project. This was this apply and okay. Now you can see the entire profile has been changed onto this. And if I move on to the 3D part of it, you can see it is now acting as a box section. So this is how we need to work upon the drawings. And if I make it to shaded, you can see this is completely in 3D profile of 2D with detailings. So this is actually which was not happening on earlier versions, and now it has been updated with respect to 2025, where we can detail out the 2D part profiles and we can load them onto a project directly and can work upon them. Had an insightful session. We shall be presenting with other insight on upcoming videos. Do subscribe to our channel for all the updates. Do reach out to us for any query or suggestion. See you in the next week. Thanks and take care.